on, XRP holders? Taking a look at XRP USD, today. Daily chart, tradingview.com. XRP has had a nice 18 or so percent run up to some overhead resistance. We'll take a quick look at that. We might take a look over at Bitcoin, share a couple thoughts, and then wrap this video up. 26th of November. Cryptos are moving. XRP has been moving, and we will take a look. I think Bitcoin is about to make a nice leg higher as well. So like I said, we just had an 18% run up here on XRP. One of the key things is we put in a higher low. So we have one consecutive higher low with a major low here on the 9th of November. That came in at support, which was 31 and 32 cents. Over on the whatever date this was here, the 14th of November, we had support show up at 32.186. That was the higher low. Had a nice rally. That was a pretty big day for XRP. It was a 10.78% day. Chopped around for a little bit, pulled back to almost hits 34.071 support, but we put in another higher low right there. And that was that little indicator that we could see a rally come to a higher high, which took place. And that was at about 18% move to the upside we saw. So that was a higher low. And then we took out all of these highs here. 1, 2, basically 3, 4 highs. Put in a higher high yesterday. The 25th of November, up there at resistance, 41,832. So we have current resistance at 41,230. And it looks like we got a close on that candle right at, 47.32. So resistance, once again, comes into play and does work as upper levels act as resistance, lower levels act as potential support. So as we're sitting here at resistance at 41,230, the price has been very quiet here, which is good. We're not seeing a huge sell-off so far. We're sitting between resistance and support. We have support at 40,167. Potential support below the market. And then, like I said, overhead resistance, 41,230. So things are probably going to be a little bit quiet here. We'll jump over to Bitcoin in just a moment and take a look at that and see if Bitcoin can actually do a similar move here to XRP. And then that will actually boost up XRP and basically cryptos across the board if it can take place. So once we get above 41,230, we have 42,900, 43,410 upper targets up there. And then the list goes on. Above that, we have a 46,039, and then we get up into all of this range here. So that is what's going on for XRP if it does continue to the upside. Let's jump over to Bitcoin here. We'll go to the Coinbase data, BTC, USDC. So far, we have a double bottom that took place for Bitcoin. Major bottom over here on the 9th of November. Undercut on the 21st of November, putting in that double bottom, and then we saw a reaction in the opposite direction to the upside. If Bitcoin can get above 16,925, which is current resistance, and we can see something like this take place, a breakout past these highs over here, the 14th, the 15th of November, and so on. I think that would be good for a rally to get us up into this basically 18,500 range. At least should be good for something like that. Now we have a target up here at 20,678, but we do have a lot of noise over in here. If the price starts to break above that 18,500, then I do think we're definitely going to be heading up to that 20,000 and perhaps higher up into that 21,694, which is a target. If we start to get up in there, we could see a very, very strong rally come into place. But I think we're going to find some resistance at 18,500, at least for some kind of period of time. Then we'll have to reassess at that point. So that is my thoughts on Bitcoin to the upside. Of course, if it breaks lower, then we have a target down there at 13,622. So we'll see what happens here. A little quiet day for XRP. It would be nice to see a tight trading range and then the rally continue. Perhaps we could get a pullback back to that 38,760. That is current support for XRP. That's going to wrap it up, guys. That's my thoughts. Go ahead and join us on the channel here. If you are not yet subscribed, hit that thumbs up. Appreciate it. I'll catch you guys in the next video.